Welcome back. I'm going to give you a solution for this. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a variable max equal to numbers. Let me write this program. So here we go. If you see, I have initialized a variable max where I have taken an initial value of this list, numbers of 0. So numbers of 0 means it will take 3. So max will hold 3 value. Okay. So now in the loop, what is happening is we are iterating on the list of the number. If you see, for number in numbers, okay. So it will iterate over each number. So now what we are going to do here is we are comparing the number within the if condition. If number is greater than max, suppose if the number is initially 3, okay, so 3 is greater than 3, no, okay, so what is going to happen here is it will go further, okay. Now 2 is greater than 3, no. 5, so 5 is greater than 3, yes, okay. If number is greater than max, so max equal to number, okay. So we are assigning max value here, okay. Then again it will go further. I think that was my mistake. So what we are going to do here is, so it will iterate over each number. It will compare each and every number. So maximum will keep assigning, and then it will reach out to 2, 3, 4, 5, and the maximum number becomes 2, 3, 4, 5, and it gets printed. Okay. So that's how the loop works here. Okay. Okay. So this is till now we have played much more on the numbers. Let's see how it works for the string. Okay. So if you see, I have taken a list names where there are different names printed over here. Okay, so you can see different names are here. So how exactly? Okay, so so this is the list, and if you see, if I'm going to print names of 2, that means 0, 1, 2, it's going to print Bob. So if I run this, if you see here, it's printing Bob. Okay, similarly, if you want to print a list like this, so it will take starting from 2 to 4, it will print the name. So let's look at this. So it's printing 2, then 3, and obviously 4 it will exclude. So it is printing Bob and Lalit here. Okay. So similarly, if I want to run something like this, see here, like something like this, what is going to happen here? It's going to print everything, because we give like this, that it automatically take like 0 to the complete list. Okay, so it is going to print whole list. Okay, if I am going to do like this 2, let's see what happens. It is going to start right from the second, okay, to till the end. Okay, so see here, Bob, Lalit, and Mother, till the end it has been printed. And if I do like this, something like this, so it is going to start from the 0 and till the 4. Let's look at this. So if you see 0, 1, 2, 3, obviously 4 will be excluded, and it has printed. Okay. Similarly, if you want to print, we can print the whole list like this also. Let's look at quickly. You see, it is printing the whole list. Okay. So this is how you can access a particular list item in Python. Basically, how it is happens. So that's it in this video. We'll look at more things about for loop and other stuff about the Python in the next video. Till then, please practice this programs with your own. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you so much.